Nothing means nothing. Call it a modest gentleman's agreement to ensure our continued relationship.
What if...
Light is clear. Get moving.
You're not errant vanguardsman. I will move only when the captain says...
When I've cleared out all the bristlebacks, which I have. Captain's orders.
So they're okay.
Isa. Miyu Mayu.
The bridge. How to drop the other side.
Guys, shop. I'm trying to check yung comments. Ayan. Kulang sir maka ang ginagawa nilang as a commodity. So that's why nagre-raise siya ng price, no? Because of the demand. Kasi ganun nag-work eh. Ganun nag-work ang commodity. Kapag mataas ang demand,
know him as Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt? Never heard of him. He's a member of the Army's extremist faction, a man who seeks to seize control of
The swamp. After the swamp, there'll be a warehouse. Make your way through the warehouse and you'll come out just south of the lab.
Got it. Sides.
You wouldn't believe me if I told you.
Try me.
I saw the universe.
The universe?
Not the actual universe. The universe.
Sounds like some
December.
kind of initiation ritual.
You know, don't get cocky. This isn't a training op.
Right. So what exactly is this wonderful mission?
Well,
I don't give a shit, no? About that. Pero yung campaign na Infinite Warfare, totally enjoyed it. No, hindi siya yung best story ever. And syempre, responsibility wise, 'di ba? Yun yung nananaig ika nga. So
Gutom na si Snake. Putang ina.
not so fast, my dear.
video game magazines and books prior to the digital revolution. So isa-isahin natin to, no? So marami. Kumbaga yung game preservation na sinasabi natin, no? Hindi lang siya
You're not stopping me.
if it isn't the savior of Meridian and of my very own operation.
But I hear a certain Nora got them back to work.
With 5 ales in you?
With 5 ales in me, I'd just be evening the odds.
Haba yung intro na yan.
Para daw mapanood ko sana while finishing. Ay, grabe siya. Grabe ka, sir. Wala na. Naka-live na tayo eh. No? Yun lang yun, sir. Pero, ayun, Lorenzo, what do you think? I mean, kung i-compare natin siya sa mga big games ng Atlus like Persona, diba? So, ngayon, dito sa sinasabi kong proposal na parang utilize yung Web3 na para magkaroon ng facility na maging tradable yung
And tell him. Di ba mahina yung audio, guys? Speed.
No, especially kung hindi naman about the graphical finesse yung ano nila, yung take nila. So dun nagkakaroon ng disagreement, no?
Go.
Intermediate range ballistic missiles in Cuba. The President demanded that the Soviets dismantle and remove the missiles. At the same time, he announced a naval blockade to prevent further missile shipment.
Kan, 'di ba, maging retro games na yung mga modern games ngayon, madali na lang mabalikan yung mga 'yon. Pero para dun sa mga games prior dun sa technology ng very unfair. 'Di ba? Gusto mo lang naman masubukan, gusto mo lang ma-try eh. 'Di ba? Magkaroon na parang nostalgia trip dun sa game na 'yon na parang very ano siya.
Stream ka ba ngayon, sir?
Dito despite of yung condition hindi maganda, 'di ba? Tapos walang motivation, 'di ba?
What?
Sa Digital Foundry. Ako, I watched their content, no, and I know I trust them no when it comes dun sa parang technicality ng game, pero sometimes I totally disagree sa mga takes nila. Napaka late ng payoff, pero yung undertaking to do that sobrang laki. So kung saan yung ano doon, hostisya, di ba? Saka nasaan doon.
During World War II, she was the one who led us to victory in that war. In Russia, you know her as Voyevoda.
You mean?
Is that how I get to Barren Light?
Yes, I mean usually, but not today. Not yet.
And why is that?
Well, the Daunt. The whole valley.
Hanapin natin yung Hozo. Ayun. Hozoki ba yun?
Hikaru has betrayed us! The embassy is proof! And all of you marshals are his accomplices! For this, I condemn...
Futuristic, tapos, alam mo yun, sa space, wait lang, sa space ba? May mga space combat ba to? Hindi ko maalala kung merong space combat eh. Pag-project yung kung ano yung meron dun sa console is hindi na applicable sa mga modern displays, no? Na ang pinaka
out before I can look around. So the rebels were keeping bristlebacks here. The machines fell into the tunnel, which must have collapsed as they ran further in. What if all the
energy blast should help you vanquish your opponents?
Aga, hello Mervin. Siyempre para mamaya game na. Mukhang Omyoji yung tatay niyo.
Where's the whistle?
Right in the middle of town, but with the threat out there, I'm not endangering innocent Osram lives.
Lang, ayun, share ko lang yung stream natin.
Cover ba daw siya ng parang health and wellness namin? Hindi, syempre, chinek ng HR. Tapos nag-reply kanina, sabi niya, yes, pasok siya. So sabi ko, okay, alam na kung ano
dito tinutorture yung mga bata eh.
ako ng UK account. Diba? Tapos may Japan account pa ako. As in Japanese account. Kasi kailangan ko sa Vita. So, ang dami kong account sa PSN. US, H.
Ay, ayan.
You're pretty good. Pretty good.
Kasi parang ang idea dati sa internet is that parang mag-share lang siya ng information. Para lang siyang dyaryo. No? Na parang, kunyari, ako yung content.
Water started flooding the place as quick as I drink ale. I barely managed to drag us here.
So something's keeping the water inside the tunnels.
What are you thinking?
I've got an idea. Are there more explosives?
Something na parang yung mga companies is not eager to do that. Diba? Sa atin, tayo na magbe-benefit doon. Yes, because readily available yung mga games na to. Pero
blowing, so we're stuck picking up the pieces.
You need the whisk.
Me and my can look as if we and my people are
Elven hold.
Ano ba?
ilan. Tsaka yung level design ng Infinite Warfare, parang feeling ko it's very similar with ano tong game na nilaro ko? Killzone Shadowfall.
Is that all you've got?
Find the 5 maidens from the photo. Alright, good evening sa inyo guys. Good evening Jerome and Mafty. Kakain ka ng ahas sir? Yes. Sneak.
Tutong Macau, di ba? Itataya ko ang 5 hibla daw ng 20. Ay, grabe, 5 hibla, 21 carats. Sana all, no? Espay na daw, sayang hindi
Where's the whistle?
Right in the middle of town, but with the threat out there, I'm not endangering innocent Osram lives.
Wala na, hindi na siya lumabas. Performance and outcome affect the fate of it.
Get ready!
yung mga offline games na binili natin, hindi natin ma-access, no? Kasi kailangan ng authentication, ganyan, itself, whatever. So, isipin mo na lang, we want, tsaka what change that we need, no? Para magkaroon ng cadence dun sa lugar natin, 'di ba?
Yes, yung Guns of the Patriots, yung MGS3, exclusive sa PS3 lang siya. Wala siya sa PC.
Opening rear hatch.
I love it!
Tumama nga yung fatal shot ko nung una eh. Hindi makombo eh. Nawawala yung doktor. Kahapon ko pa nilalabanan yun. Ganun talaga siya eh. May mysterious na nangyari dito sa island. May mga batang nawala. Tapos natagpuan ulit. Kasama siya sa mga batang nawala itong bida. Yung tatlong bida. Ito yan.
There's nothing here.
told that Adam has infiltrated Vulcan's ranks. I've also arranged for him to provide you with an escape route. You'll need to rendezvous with him when you get there.
Ito, diba? Isipin nyo na lang, no? Yung mga games natin, if maging NFT sila. So, pwede nating i-trade. Pwede nating i-trade.
Oh, yeah, yung mga sigurin ko may-ari ng toyo, no?
Where'd you get something like this?
I grabbed it from a Western munitions armory. It probably used to belong to one of your officers.
Yung mamatay.
The whistle, then Voidis to Barrelite.
Sabihin yan. Black Ops Zex. Oh. Dragon's Gate daw is the new shit. Grabe ka naman, sir.